Oh, madam.
Baby.
Machoma ba?
Wino machoma bwani.
Majera.
Majera isi.
Ile mbera njara. Mgali kutari pi. Chani koni fasting we?
Si zanje mani.
Mama na wakariku.
Pastika cha?
Unifunza enu mwitane ndisi.
Yeah, nifunza ako je nchacha.
Unifunza enu mwitane.
Okwela bana.
Yolanda nyo.
Sema ziwa na ile nyumba zibezo. Mwitani.
Okay. Cheers kama wale.
Ndio mani sokonezera ma training.
Sorry bichani.
Leo zaonera. Mikuza chimanga zaonera. Leo zaonera.
Okay, kanzi ni kulipide. Kagule sopo. Nakufikiri sana eh? Okay, mkagule sopo.
Take a second to explain that Corey ain't a person but a group of people, many just like Christians today. See, the Corinthians were caught up in their own worldly culture, no respect for divine authority, the Lord's Supper. They were still exalting gifts which are given by the Holy Spirit to begin with, more than loving one another. They were all focused on their own egos, on their own selves. Everything we have was given by God who commands us to live outwardly toward others. I pray y'all don't wrestle with the resurrection of Jesus. Holla at me if you do.